going on, guys? Stay that drink. We're here to look at a toilet. Anyway, is there a plug toilet in this unit?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
Yeah,
510?
510.
I think so. There's a plug toilet. I'm a plumber.
Oh, maybe that's.
Oh, this is the whole party. I mean, if you want to.
Yeah. Do I? I don't know if I
mean,
do.
it looks like it was a little clogged when I was looking. All right, well, come on in.
All right. What's going on in here?
She's I'm gonna take her to the hospital.
Oh, okay. I see. All right. I'm gonna go in and close the door then, and not disturb you guys. Well, there you go. Alright guys, there you go. So toilet's clear now, so we're just gonna wrap up and then head out. I'm all done, I'm leaving right now. Hello. I gotta get over here. Just don't want this to. No, you're good. Sorry. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. Have a good day, guys. All right. You mind if I squeeze in here?
Of course.
Thank you. What's up? You look terrified.
I know, he doesn't like being carried, but he has kidney disease. So
Oh, really?
He's got to be carried.
There you go. How old is he?
He's 14.
Really?
Yeah,
Looks very good.
I know.
Especially in the face, usually.
Yeah, he's healthy. Like,
Yeah.
he's otherwise, like, besides literally kidney disease.
Please,
he's
please.
good.
You have a good day, okay?
Yeah.
Thanks. Alright guys, so there you go. This one Jay, that green guy, signing out. Drop.